Okay, today I'm going to show y'all how to make a paper knife. You need scissors and a piece of paper. First, you want to hold it over and try to make it a square piece of paper. Then you just get your scissors and cut down that line. Okay, you just throw away that other piece, and there you go. Open it back up like that. You see that line right there? Fold it the other way. So when you open it up, it'll be like that X in the middle, and then try to like fold it like a kite, I guess. And do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so like that. And okay, so you see them two lines right there? Get the point right here and fold it over. And try to make this line straight so it'll be good. And so do like that. And then you get fold it over like backwards, and see that right there, all that. Fold it over like you got like that, and fold that over, and do it to the other side too. Okay. And then you got like the front, there's the front. That's what the back looks like. So now, get that side and get this side right here. And fold it over to the center line. Like that, and do the same thing to the other side. So like that. So now you get in right there and fold it inwards, so it'll be straight at the bottom, not a point. Get it like that. And then you go with that. See, them two lines right there. Get this and fold it over like that, and fold it over like that, and then fold it the other way. Just like that. And open it back up, and you should be able to like do that. Okay. So then what you do is just fold that over in like that part right there, then fold it up. Like that, so it'll be like a pocket knife. And you open it up like that. And that is what it should look like. Okay, so that's how you make a piece of paper pocket knife.